Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos. Let's get started using the VSCO. And first thing I'm gonna do is to do the cropping. So let's do a cropping right here, and then leave more headroom because the background is more interesting in this one. So let me increase the contrast, increase the sharpening, slightly adjust the tone, and then the exposure a little bit. And then the next thing I'm going to do is choose a filter for my the toning. So we can do a different style. We can do an E5 right here, or let me see what else we can do. And this is the Kodak, but I like to use the U3 because this is the new filter that I'm using recently. So let's try this out, and then exposure slightly reduce. Okay, so and then slightly rotate it a little bit. Let me make sure that it is perpendicular to the ground on the body. So, and this is good. So let me slightly reduce it a little bit more. Okay, so let's save it. Save this one. Next one. So let's I like the slightly tilted down for the head for this one. So let me use the U3 for this, and highlight save. Increase the sharpness. Slightly reduce the exposure to have more mood on this one, and then the tone. So let me reduce more, maybe 1.4, 1.3, and then crop it down a little bit more, but still retain the background sharpness. And depends on your feed, you can change the white balance also, just to be less warmer if you like. So just change up a little bit of the white balance, and then let me see, that's a before and after. That's pretty good. Let me save this one. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this and then paste it to the next one. Okay, so let me crop it down a little bit more for this one. Okay. Oh, let me save it back because it was the cancel button. Next one, so let's see what else we can try. We can try this one, the colorful one. Let's try the C9 chromatic tone, and then increase the contrast, and then the sharpness, and adjust the 4x5. As you can see, it's about 2 minutes per photo for me just to edit them, and then I can have more crop on top, so more headroom on top, so that it has more context in the background. Okay, so let me save it, this one. Next one, so let's use the U3 again, and then do a highlight, save, sharpening, and then a contrast, and reduce the exposure a little bit more, and then the 4x5 crop in here. Okay, so let me save this one. Okay, so next one is the full body shot. So let me edit quickly, and then I can paste it to the next couple ones right there. And then let me increase the contrast, slightly reduce more exposure, but 4x5 crop, make sure that it is in the center of the frame. So let me see it right around here, and then save it. So the next couple one is similar. I'm gonna do a copy, edit, and then paste it to the next two. Paste the edit. Okay, and then save it. Slightly do the same composition, small to the center, slightly tilt it to the center, and then let me save it. And this is the last one, so let me crop it 4:5 crop right here, and then let me increase the lighting a little bit more for this one, and I think this is good. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching today's editing, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.